René Descartes stands as an indomitable figure, wielding the torch of reason to illuminate the murky depths of existence. His quest for truth, epitomized by the iconic phrase Cogito, ergo sum, I think, therefore I am, reverberates through the corridors of human thought, transcending centuries to lead us into the enigmatic concept of Cartesian dualism. Within this paradigm lies the fertile ground upon which spiritual concepts like the higher self take root and flourish, offering a bridge between the ethereal and the empirical. In this video, we will embark on a journey through Descartes' life, works, and philosophical musings to unravel the notion of Cartesian dualism and its profound implications for the human spirit. Born in 1596 in La Haye-en-Touraine, René Descartes emerged as a polymath of unparalleled prowess, traversing the fields of mathematics, science, and philosophy with equal dexterity. Educated at the Jesuit College of La Flèche, Descartes' early years laid the foundation for his voracious intellectual appetite and his unwavering commitment to rational inquiry. His seminal works, including Discourse on the Method and Meditations on First Philosophy, would later catapult him to the vanguard of philosophical thought. Descartes' philosophical work is characterized by a relentless pursuit of certainty amidst the tumultuous seas of doubt. In his meditations, he embarked on a radical journey of introspection, methodically stripping away layers of belief until he reached the bedrock of undeniable truth. At the heart of Descartes' philosophy lies the concept of Cartesian dualism, which posits a clear distinction between the material world of extended substance and the immaterial realm of thinking substance. According to Descartes, the mind and body are distinct entities that interact with each other, yet each possesses unique attributes. The mind is characterized by consciousness, thoughts, and mental states, while the body is defined by extension, physical properties, and mechanical processes. This dualistic framework suggests that mental and physical phenomena cannot be reduced to one another and exist independently. Despite its criticisms, Cartesian dualism has profoundly influenced philosophical discourse on the nature of consciousness, the mind-body problem, and the foundations of human identity and existence. Cartesian dualism remains relevant in psychology, particularly in discussions surrounding the nature of consciousness, the mind-body problem, and the relationship between mental and physical processes. While many contemporary psychologists adopt a more integrated approach, acknowledging the interconnectedness of mind and body, Cartesian dualism still informs theoretical debates and research methodologies. In the field of consciousness studies, Cartesian dualism prompts inquiry into the subjective experiences and qualia that characterize mental states. Understanding how consciousness arises from physical processes in the brain continues to be a central focus in psychology, with Cartesian dualism providing a historical context for these discussions. Moreover, Cartesian dualism influences psychological approaches to topics such as free will, intentionality, and self-awareness. Exploring how mental phenomena interact with bodily actions and external stimuli sheds light on human behavior and cognition. Cartesian dualism also intersects with the nature versus nurture debate in psychology, albeit indirectly. This debate concerns the relative influences of genetic factors, nature, and environmental factors, nurture, on human development and behavior. While Cartesian dualism does not directly address this debate, its implications for the mind-body relationship have shaped perspectives on how individuals' inherent attributes, nature, interact with their experiences and surroundings. nurture. From a Cartesian perspective, the mind is often viewed as an entity separate from the physical body, suggesting a certain degree of inherent nature in mental attributes such as intelligence, personality traits, and cognitive abilities. This view implies that some aspects of human behavior and cognition may be predetermined or innate, reflecting the influence of nature. Conversely, Cartesian dualism also allows for the consideration of the impact of nurture on psychological development. Environmental factors such as upbringing, education, cultural influences, and social interactions play a significant role in shaping individuals' experiences, beliefs, and behaviors. Cartesian dualism does not preclude the idea that these environmental influences can interact with innate attributes to shape psychological outcomes. Overall, Cartesian dualism provides a philosophical framework that informs how psychologists conceptualize the relationship between innate predispositions and environmental influences in shaping human behavior and development within the nature versus nurture debate. However, contemporary psychological perspectives often emphasize the interaction and interdependence of nature and nurture, moving beyond dualistic thinking to adopt more integrative approaches. The immortal dictum, "I think, therefore I am," serves as both Descartes' starting point and his lodestar in the quest for certainty. By affirming the existence of the thinking self, Descartes transcends the quagmire of skepticism, anchoring consciousness as the indubitable foundation of knowledge. This assertion not only affirms the existence of the self, but also hints at a deeper, ineffable essence, an eternal self that transcends the ephemeral confines of the material world. In pondering the nature of reality, Descartes provocatively challenges the boundaries of perception, asking, "How can you be certain that your whole life is not a dream?" Here, he summons us to peer beyond the veil of illusion, inviting us to contemplate the possibility of a reality that extends beyond the confines of our sensory experience. This question begs us to consider the existence of an eternal, immutable essence that transcends the flux of material existence. Descartes' insight into the nature of human error is profound, as he asserts, "The chief cause of human errors is to be found in the prejudices picked up in childhood." In this assertion, he shines a light on the pernicious influence of societal conditioning and ingrained beliefs, which serve as shackles binding the human spirit. The journey towards enlightenment or awakening often involves questioning and transcending these deeply ingrained prejudices. By critically examining one's beliefs and conditioning acquired in childhood, individuals can uncover the truth beyond societal constructs and find deeper meaning and connection with their spiritual selves. To liberate oneself from these chains requires a concerted effort to shed the ego, the illusion of self-importance and separateness, and embrace a more expansive vision of reality. Descartes' assertion that reason is nothing without imagination underscores the symbiotic relationship between rationality and creativity. Reason, often associated with logic, analysis, and critical thinking, is crucial for interpreting the world and making sense of spiritual teachings or experiences. It enables individuals to discern truth from falsehood, to evaluate evidence, and to formulate coherent beliefs. In the context of spirituality, reason serves as a guiding light, helping individuals navigate complex philosophical concepts, ethical dilemmas, and existential questions. However, reason alone may fall short in grasping the full depth and richness of spiritual truths. Imagination, on the other hand, allows individuals to explore realms beyond the rational, to envision possibilities beyond the empirical, and to tap into intuitive insights that transcend logical explanation. In spirituality, imagination serves as a bridge to the ineffable, enabling individuals to connect with divine truths, mystical experiences, and higher states of consciousness. This insight also finds resonance in the art of manifestation, where visualization serves as a potent tool for realizing one's deepest desires. By harnessing the power of imagination, individuals can break out of the limitations of the rational mind and tap into the boundless potential of the higher self. Reason and imagination are intertwined faculties that work in harmony to deepen one's understanding of the spiritual dimensions of existence. While reason provides a framework for intellectual inquiry and analysis, imagination opens doors to visionary insights and creative exploration, enriching the spiritual journey and expanding the horizons of human consciousness. In contemplating the nature of the self, Descartes poses a profound question. I know that I exist. The question is, what is this I that I know? Descartes arrived at the certainty of existence through a process of radical doubt, questioning the validity of all his beliefs until he reached a foundational truth that could not be doubted: the fact that he was thinking. However, the quote goes beyond mere acknowledgement of existence. It delves into the deeper question of the nature of the self, or the I, that is aware of its own existence. Descartes grapples with the elusive nature of identity and consciousness, pondering what constitutes the essence of the self beyond mere thought. This inquiry touches upon fundamental philosophical and existential questions about the nature of consciousness, personal identity, and the relationship between mind and body. Descartes' exploration paved the way for subsequent philosophical investigations into the nature of selfhood and subjectivity. In essence, the quote challenges individuals to reflect on their own sense of identity and self-awareness, prompting them to question the nature of their existence and the underlying essence of the I that perceives and experiences the world. It underscores the complexity and mystery of human consciousness and invites contemplation into the profound mysteries of existence. In the crucible of Cartesian dualism, the nexus between the material and the spiritual finds fertile ground for exploration. René Descartes, with his incisive intellect and unwavering commitment to truth, reminds us to embark on a journey of self-discovery, a journey that leads not only to the recognition of our own existence, but also to the realization of our connection to a higher, transcendent self. As we navigate the maze of existence, let us dare to probe the depths of consciousness, for therein lies the key to unlocking the mysteries of the human spirit. Thank you for joining us on this enigmatic journey through the web of Cartesian dualism and its profound implications for the human spirit. If this video resonated with you, we invite you to like and share it with your friends and family, spreading the light of knowledge far and wide. We would love to hear your thoughts, experiences, and theories in the comments below. How do you perceive the interplay between consciousness and the higher self? Have you encountered moments of profound self-awareness or spiritual awakening in your own life? Your insights are invaluable contributions to our collective understanding. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content and to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads, where we continue to explore the frontiers of human consciousness and unlock the mysteries of existence. Until next time, may you journey ever onward in pursuit of truth and enlightenment.